You know, I've been reading in a book, I won't mention the author's name, but it's focusing on Christ, and I think the title is Christ is the Sum of All Things. And in that book, he's talking about things. We pray for patience. We pray for provision. We pray for health. We pray for the kids and the dog and the cat. And we just have all these things we ask for, right? I believe he's taking those things away from us. So if something like that is going on in your life, I don't mean he's going to take away your job and you're not going to have food to eat. I'm not radical. I'm just saying by his Spirit, he has a way of adjusting things, and he sharpens your focus, and all you see before you is his Son. It's his Son who is all. He is all in all. There isn't something to be added. He made provision for us, and it was his Son. He didn't just come to save you so you'd go to heaven. He's redeeming every aspect of your life. And as he redeems every aspect of your life, you'll find yourself, I can't say that. I can't go there. I don't want to do. You're being adjusted. He's making ready a people prepared for the Lord.